Symbolic links in Linux. Hello, in this quick tutorial we are going to work with symbolic links in Linux. What are they? To make it simple, symbolic links are in Windows are like shortcuts that you have on Windows. If you use Linux, Symlinks are the same as aliases. In other words, when you use Symlinks, or the reason they are used mostly is to avoid duplicating files, to create shortcuts to long paths so that you can easily access the links from different parts of your Linux machine. Symlinks are used heavily in Linux systems, in configuration files, apps, etc. So let's get started. Before we begin, may I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you. So this is how you would create a Symlink in practice. So first of all, let us create a file using echo to create it. Let us say something like hello world, and we are going to create it and call it something like original link .txt. Now let us find this file. Now that is the file we just created. Now how do you create a symlink? It is actually very simple. You use the command ln-s, then we call the original link that we want to create. Then we call our symbolic link, we call it something like symlink.txt. Now let us see our files. Here are the two files that we just created. The first thing that shows you that this is a symbolic link would be this here. Once you see a list of files and you see here, that means it is a symbolic link. Also, here is the name of the link that we just created. This is another thing that signifies that this is a symlink, meaning that this symlink is pointing to the original link. Then let us go on and see what this symlink contains. It contains hello world, which is the something that we created and what we added to the original link. So this symlink is pointing to the original link. They just contain the same thing. Now here is one of the most important things about symlinks. So we want to update this information. We don't need to go to the original link. We could just say here hello world updated, then symlink. Let us see what these files contain. Let us first of all check Symlink. It says hello world updated, which is what we updated here. Let us also check the other one, original. You see, this one is also updated. So whatever we did with the Symlink, it also applies to this, to the original link. Now you might wonder, if you would delete the original link, what would happen to the symlink? Or if you delete the symlink, what would happen to the original link? Let us try one. Let's remove original link. Now let us check our folder. Look at this. Now let us try again to check our symlink. No such file or directory. What this teaches us is that the symlink is connected to the original link. So if you delete original link, the symlink is there, but it's gone. The content is, or rather, it is there physically, as you can see. However, it's gone because the original link has been deleted. But if we had deleted the symlink, obviously the original link remains. So this is how symbolic links work in Linux. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you.